Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you a website, a very powerful website where you can earn anywhere from $4 to $150 by answering simple questions. That's right. No website needed, no technical skills needed, no experience needed, no traffic generation, no traffic needed. This is all without traffic, without having the hustle to go and chase people to visit your website. You don't need all that. The only thing you need is a basic education in certain subjects, and you can answer the questions. And for answering a question and being accepted, you can get paid handsomely, anywhere from $4 to $150. And if you can do this couple of times a day, I will be shocked. I will be amazed where you can earn anywhere from $1,000 to up to $4,000 every single month from the comfort of your home. Now, before I dive into this website, before I share this powerful website where you can earn this type of money by just answering simple questions, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. Share this video with the people you care, it will give them a lot of value. And if you have any question, just leave a comment for me. And by the way, before I go more further with this video, if you want to know how I make over $100,000 from the comfort of my home, then click the link in the description box below this video. When you click that link, you're going to come to a page. Look at this. This is the type of earning I have when it comes to making money online. This is a straight snapshot from my account. Okay, so if you want to make this type of money, link in the description box below this video. Click that link. It's going to ask for your email address. When you click on that, enter your real email address. When you enter your real email address, let me just show you. Basically, let me just show you the website. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I'm going to just click on here. All right, let me just show you what you need to do to get access to this powerful system that's going to show you how to make multiple six figures online. All right, so you're going to come to our website just like this. Okay, when you click the link in the description box, you're going to come to our website like this. Just click on this button down here that you're seeing, access the blueprint now. Okay, and you're going to enter your email address down here. Okay, whatever your email, make sure you have your real email address, because I'm going to send this blueprint straight to your inbox. Okay, and I'm going to share how I make this type of money. Okay, this is the type of money I'm making. Check this out. Okay, over $100,000 from the comfort of my home. So if you want to learn how this is made, link in the description box below this video. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Powerful website, one powerful website that will pay you anywhere from $4 to $250 for answering simple questions. There are so many websites out there that's paying for doing simple tasks. So this is not some kind of affiliate marketing where you promote other people's products and then you have to chase people, you have to get people to visit your website, you need to drive traffic. No. This is a website where you just have to complete simple tasks and you're going to get paid. And the website is called schoolsolver.com. Okay, this is the website. It's a very powerful website. As you can see here, if you just come to the home page, okay, you can see the #1 site in the world for online tutoring since 2014. Have the best tutors in the world, tech and guide you through difficult questions and assignments. Okay, you can see here they have all different languages as well. It's got a 4.3 positive review. Okay, you could watch this video as well, trusted and recommended by thousands of students. Okay, so you can see here people are coming here asking questions and you can answer those questions and get paid. Okay, top earners, check this out. Okay, this guy is earned over $31,000 so far from this one website. Okay, this person has earned $20,000, this person has earned $16,000, and this person has earned $11,000 from this website. Okay, so it's one of the website where you just come, you register, and you go through a quiz to make sure what subject you're professionally, and you just have to answer simple questions, and you're gonna get paid. So let me just scroll back to the top, and let me show you. Okay, so you have different sections down here. Come to the home page, you could ask a question yourself, okay, related to any kind of school subjects. You could answer the question, user support, and frequently asked questions. Okay, so let's just come to the answer questions here. All right, so this is the page here. So if you scroll down, you can see here that these are related questions people are asking. So if you can see here, willing to pay, okay? This is a business question, how to succeed in 2024 question. If you answer this question, you're going to get paid $4.99. It's got the categories business, economic, biology, economic, geography. And you could see here, this business question is in a different language. Okay, so if someone knows this language and answers this question, he's going to get paid $70. How to succeed in 2024 question, $100. Economic, how to make money question, $80. Okay, so you can see here people are willing to pay money to answer these questions. Okay, so you could see it comes from $5 to upwards to $100. All right, let's see if there's something higher than that. Okay, so you can see this is page one from 1,625. So there are so many questions that you can answer and get paid handsomely. Now remember, when you come here, this website is free to register, but once you have registered, they're going to take you through a quiz. The quiz is there to make sure that you are professional in the subject you are willing to answer. So they don't just can take anyone and say, hey, if you know the answer to this question, just answer it. You need to prove it to them that you have some kind of uh, expertise, and or you have some kind of education within that subject to answer, so you're authorized to answer that question. You can't just come here and just answer any question and just say, okay, I'm going to make money like this, because anyone will do that. There's a reason why this website has a very big and very huge reputation, is because they take you through that quiz, trying to find out what's your expertise and what education do you have within that field. So they're going to ask you about related these subjects, school related questions, couple of questions, and ask you to select those boxes that you believe that you are expert in. Okay, so you will have to provide those answers, and that's when you're going to be selected as a professional within that subject. Okay, and then when anyone posts any kind of questions, you will be able to come here, answer that question, and your answer will be added as an expert, as an authorized person to answer the question, because they have already took you through that quiz, and because of that quiz, they have been able to establish that connection and establish that professionalism within you, that yes, you are someone that has a kind of expertise, and you are professional to answer those questions. Okay, so obviously not everyone is going to be here that could answer questions related to business or geography, etc. There are certain subjects that you might be more powerful in. So for example, you're probably more expert in mathematics, you're probably more expert in chemistry or medical science, etc. So there are going to be some questions here, and they're going to ask you those questions. So you need to select those boxes, and then you need to provide them with something that they could believe that yes, you have an expert, you are an expert and educated within this subject, and through that subject you will able to come here and start answering these questions and get paid. Now imagine, okay, imagine you're an expert in economics, and there are 50 questions, and they are paying you just anywhere from $50 to $80. Like this one is, you can see here, they are paying $80, and if you just answer a couple of questions like this on a daily basis, I would be surprised you will be making anywhere from like $1,000 to $4,000 every single month from this one simple website that is here for people to answer questions and ask any questions. So even you can ask any questions if it's related to school, if it's related to any subjects within the school and you want a professional answer. So this is a very, very powerful website that you can come here and start getting paid from anywhere from $4 to $150. Now, if you're getting value, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more powerful videos. And if you still haven't checked out the links in my description box below this video, then I highly recommend you check it out if you want to see how I make over $100,000 from the comfort of my home. I'm going to share this powerful money system. It's going to come straight into your inbox after you enter your email, internet by storm, and how you can participate in this program and change your life forever. Okay, so that's all for now. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.